Hey everybody, thank you for coming back to another video. I appreciate you coming by. As always, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I just have a short video for you all. I'm probably going to maybe talk throughout most of the video and then let you watch a little bit, maybe with a little bit of music. But yeah, this is the set of nails that I did on me. I didn't record it. Sorry about that. But maybe I will do a tutorial on how I did the cheetah print nail. It was very simple, and I did use the new polygel kit that I bought from Amazon, and I will show you that in a few minutes. So these clips, I thought that these clips were great. Maybe I was using it wrong. I'm not sure. I just felt like it was giving it a lot of pressure when I applied it, but then at the same time I don't feel like it was squeezing where it needed to. And also, if you have too much gel, polygel, in my case polygel, because I was using polygel, if you put too much polygel underneath the dual form, you will flood your cuticle, which you can then clean up. But if you want to avoid that, I would try to not put as much polygel inside of the dual form at once. I would start really slowly, maybe start at your in your nail bed area and then work your way towards the end of your extension, I guess. So that's how I would do it. I'm trying to continue to work on my polygel kind of techniques, so I'm still trying to, and also working with dual forms. I really want to kind of get better with applying the dual forms. For some reason, I don't know if it was the polygel, or I'm not sure if the light was kind of getting through to the, I do think I know what happened. I wasn't using my big lamp. I was using the very tiny lamp that I got from Amazon, the one that you can clamp to your desk that most people have for like a one finger. So I was curing the polygel, or kind of one by one there, but the lamp itself doesn't shut off. So maybe it was that I was pulling my finger out too quickly and it wasn't curing. So I think that that's what was happening to me, because I was getting a lot of lifting, and I think that my gel just didn't cure correctly. I think that's exactly what happened. So I'm gonna try to use these dual forms again. That was my first time using these dual forms. I did get these dual forms on Amazon. If you'd like to check out these dual forms, I will leave the link down below, so just be sure to check that out if you're interested. And yep, I did receive a new box of stones or crystals. Also, rhinestone kit. This is a brand new kit that I did receive from the company, because the first one, which is the one that you're seeing right now, did come busted in the corner. And I'm pretty sure that it was the shipping. So I rehoused, and the little box that you see there that's missing, that's the that was the missing bag of gems, crystals, however you like to call them. So these are gorgeous. I love these so much. All I did was contact the seller and let them know, hey, my stuff, it came damaged and some of my product was not in it, and if this was not sent to me in PR at all, I paid for this item. So I recommend, guys, if ever that happens to you when something comes damaged, and obviously if there's product missing, I did send pictures along with it to prove, and even before I said that I would send pictures, they were already sending me another one out. So this is a great company. I recommend this company. I will leave their link down below to their Amazon shop. Definitely a huge shout out to them for sending another box out. Really appreciative of that. And I didn't have to pay anything, because it wasn't my fault that it broke. It wasn't their fault that it broke. It was the shippers, or the, you know, whoever was delivering the package. It was their fault, and they were nice enough to provide me with another box, which was really, really sweet. I would have even maybe just, you know, if they would have sent me a, you know, a bag or two, I would have been so happy. And they sent me an entire box. So in the box comes 4 glues, 2 wax pencils. They do work. I do like them. I like them because they pick up the stones, but then again, they kind of leave like a white mark on the stone, and you gotta wipe it off. Not a biggie, but that's just what happens. These tweezers are very, very sharp, so be very, very careful, excuse me, with them. They do come with that white kind of, I don't even know what that is, but there's, I'm thinking that maybe it's from the glue, because the other box came like that as well. So it's easy to just wipe it off with some alcohol, and it's good to go. It's just like a white residue. I'm assuming maybe if some glue leaked out onto the tweezers, maybe that will happen. But again, this is the second time that happened. Not a big deal. I just wiped it off with some alcohol, and it was good to go, like I said. So these stones come in separate baggies, as you can see here. I wanted these specific crystals, and as soon as I saw the price on this box, I had to grab it. I believe it was $16, and a box like this on Amazon could be double, if not more. So I had to grab this, as you know, when I could. Also, I will leave the link to where I got it down below, so be sure to check that out. All right, I will leave that below, so you can check that out. Also, in the middle, you can put a rhinestone picker or anything else you'd like to put in the middle there. I did remove the contents that were in the middle, but I later in the video put a rhinestone picker tool in there, so you can see right here that it fits right in there. So you can add one of those there if you'd like, and then when you are ready to add, you know, use these stones, you already have your rhinestone picker in the box. So I do love this style of box because you can do that with them, and that is just a plus. I'm not sure why I wanted these specific crystals, but I do remember seeing a nail artist on YouTube, and I do remember seeing her use crystals like this. I don't know if they were the same ones, but just the look on, I can't explain to you how gorgeous the set of nails were. They were stunning. I can't explain to you. So just the colors that are coming off through the baggies already, these stones are beautiful. I have been trying to look for stones just like this, and when I found stones, or rather when I found this box, I had to grab it. But if I were to buy maybe each individual baggie, let's say on Amazon, solo, this box would come out very, very expensive. So I thought this was a great deal. Also, it comes with more than the crystals. It does come with those gold, I don't even know what they're called, guys. I'm not even sure what they're called. I was gonna say findings, but that's like a craft term when you do jewelry. They're like gold, they're metal, I don't know, I can't even remember, because I can't even remember if they're like hearts or different shapes. But you can bend those metal pieces, I believe, in one of those. Have you guys seen those little hearts that they sell on either Amazon, or sometimes they have them? I think I got mine on Shein. And I did show it in a video. You put the metal piece inside of that heart, and then with the acrylic kind of, it's like a little bar, that. They're really, really tiny. I was gonna see if I can find a bigger one. Well, anyways, the point of it is that you put the metal decoration inside of that tool and you push down, and it's supposed to give it a curve to the decoration, you know, so it won't be flat. It'll give it a little curve so it'll sit better on your nail. So that's something that I want to look into and see if I can find another one of those, maybe a little bit bigger. Thank you guys for coming by. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tiny mini kind of review. If you are interested in this box, I will leave the link down below to their Amazon shop, so be sure to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I will see you in the next one. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.